So this is the third shop this car towed up on. It was here in two different shops. They gave up on this one. So originally this car was on a shop for a spark plug change. First shop, they break one of the spark plug in the cylinder head. They tow it to a different shop. They already break two another. So right now, one of the cylinder head on the right side sets up with a 3 broken spark plug. They also gave up. Then they just tow it to a shop. As you know, America Auto can do anything you want. So right now, we are going to fix this. In order to fix it, we need to replace the cylinder head on this one, and that's what we ordered already. It's going to be here tomorrow, and this car is going to be up on the road in another 4 days. We'll update you. This beautiful 2018 Porsche Macan GTS. That's a 3-liter Porsche design engine. Came in like 2 weeks ago to a shop with a word out piston cylinder heads. So we changed the motor because the parts from the Porsche, there was out of stock, and they was here for like another 3 months waiting. Customer, they don't want to wait that much, so we find a decent engine with low kilometers on it and we swap it. Any of the Porsche customers, if your car have a similar kilometers and the Porsche design engines, we have a larger inventory for the Porsche engines too. Inquire us, drop off your VINs in the DM, and we'll happy to help you out. We'll try to source you the best engine we can. And now we are going on a test drive. Let me fire it up and show you guys how beautiful America Auto do the job. And we are here just to test the performance on this one and the final test drive to make sure there is no light on the instrument cluster or any of the drivability issues. America Auto, they make sure they deliver the customer their cars without any problems. So that's the reason we are making this test drive, in order to check the power of the engine, and also if any of the slippage or anything miscellaneous happened to this one. So that's what we are here for. And this Porsche engine have a really nice rumble sound. So if you guys do have any of the Porsches, doesn't matter you have a Macan, Cayenne or Cayman, any of the Porsches, you can just give us a call. We'll quote you the best price. We do a rebuilds and we also do an engine swap, depend on the parts availability with the dealership. So most of the time we do a rebuilds on the BMWs, Mercedes, but kind of Porsche and Range Rovers, the parts are a bit hard to get because most of the parts, they are back ordered. If there is anything available, it's a couple of weeks. So make sure you're gonna call us if you have any need regarding to your Porsches. We'll be happy to help you out. On to the next car. Got this beautiful 2017 Volvo S60, commonly famous for a timing chain and a evap leak. This customer, they go to a dealership and they got a problem with a big coat, multiple parts, and they just want to go with the second opinion. They came to a shop. We run a smoke test on this one to check what exactly wrong with it. So one of the purge valve and the leak detector unit on this one, which is pretty famous on S60, especially from 2017. Those two parts got failure. We ordered up. It's going to be here anytime, and we're going to replace it. And after that, we're also going to suggest the customer, as this thing close to hit 100 clicks, and it's almost 10 years old car, has to be replaced the timing belt on this one. So if you guys do have the same S60s and you are near 250 clicks, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. We have an inventory for the timing belt complete set for Volvo S60s. Do not delay it because it's gonna seize your engine on the highway while you're driving it. If it breaks on the way, you need a new engine. So it's better to replace it on time in order to get it fixed. Give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. On to the next car. Alright guys, so we got this beautiful 2000 Escalade. It's a 350 motor inside. As you remember from the last year, we rebuilt it. Unfortunately, the owner of this car, they passed away in November. Sorry for the loss, but he drove it before he's gone. So now this is here for the very first oil change by the family member. So this is a memorial truck from the family because this is owned by one of our great client. As you can see from last year our videos, this motor is completely rebuilt from top to bottom, and it's here for the very first oil change. So if you guys do have any of the older 350s and you want to make a rebuild with the Auto, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. And also we are going to do some other maintenance checkup on the engines, like coolant, and we're going to check all the top of fluid for the four-wheel drive on this one before we're going to hand over to the customer. And one more thing, while we did the engine rebuild on this thing, the battery was changed with the newer ones. So unfortunately nobody drives after the person passed away. So one of the family members, they just drove it last week. They tried to jump it and bring it here, but the battery was frozen. So it's under a year. If you bought a battery from Auto and it's under a year, it's a warranty. So we're going to change it with no additional cost, not even in labor, to replace it. Oil change, top of the fluids, and the new battery. If you want the same, give us a call. On to the next car. Alright guys, so Porsche Macan GTS is ready for the customer to pick it up. Now we're going to move on to the next one. This is the third N20 motor from March to April. So third BMW. Before than this we did 528, another 528, and this is a 328. That's 2014 328 X-Drive, and we are going to do a timing change job on this one. If you guys do have the beautiful cars like this, if you see this car, it's gonna be good for another 5 years once your timing job is done on your N20s, N55s, N54s. Give us a call for a better quote. As this customer, they choose this car because they said like they have a lot of memories with this car. They don't want to throw it off so easy. So we are going to make it fix and make this customer happy. So if you want to be happy and you want to fix your BMWs in order to keep it alive on the road, because most of the BMW Audis, they have no problems with the underneath rust here. As this car is almost 12 years old with no problem for the rust, we can help you out to fix your engines on any of the BMWs as this one. So today's the first day. We're going to put it inside. We'll put short video upcoming when we're going to take it apart, the chain, and let our customer know how a 279 clicks BMW looks like from inside with the chain and the guides. Stay tuned.